Hey everyone, Tim here with Millennial Investments with today's free trade alert. In this trade, we're looking at a position in FPRX with a 20% profit margin on the swing trade. Before we get started though, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of our future free trade alerts and trade reviews as we release them. In order to access our premium trade alerts, please be sure to purchase your membership at Millennial Investments to gain access to even more daily investment information and potential trades. So let's get started. Alright everyone, let's get straight into the trade. We're looking for FPRX to gain momentum and break through the resistance level 1 at around $18, and then to retest level 2 at $20.98 to provide us with a potential 20% swing trade on the move. If we're able to break through the level 2 of resistance, then the stock would continue on to test level 3, which is $24.70, providing an additional 21% plus on our original target here. Just to include fundamental outlook on the company is currently showing 5.3% year over year on the EPS, free cash flow per share being up 12.68% year over year, along with their revenue growth rate being up 29 points above their 3-year average and 13 points above their 5-year average. We are suggesting a 5% stop loss around the 1653 price levels with a sell threshold of 10% around $15.74. Now, just to explain what we mean by our 5% stop loss, it's a suggested get out of the trade to protect investment. And then 10% threshold is set in place to allow for that 5% stop loss to have an additional cushion. Just to educate some of our viewers here, how we do our trades, we all know that stocks move either 5 to 10% average daily, up or down. So if it's coming down, we want to give it that additional 5% to see if we can see signs of a reversal before we decide to sell the trade and potentially lose the gains that could come. So not every one of our trades are taking off as soon as we send the trade. You may see some small pulled back. We're focused on basically getting an entry and holding the stock for 20 to 30 days on our swing trades, and that also explains with our 5% stop loss and 10% threshold, that also explains why we put a 10 to 20% profit margin target on most of our stocks. That's mainly what we can typically guarantee on the moves that we're making. And as you can see in this stock in particular, we're showing an upswing to break through this $18 price range. That's $13.81 to $18 price range, and then move up into the $18 to $20.96 price range. And the momentum that we're seeing here is what you would call a continuation pattern, where it breaks out here, consolidates, continuates, but then it falls out again and continues more. So we can keep going to the upside here and then retest these 20.96 price levels. Should be done with ease, but the goal here, what we're looking at, the golden piece, is actually breaking out to this 20.98 to 24.70 price range. That'll give us a 41% profit margin on the potential for this trade. So that's how we look for our setups. We discover our price ranges here, and then we see the momentum, verify the momentum, and then look for breakthroughs in these price ranges so that it can then break through, find support, and then continue retesting the next level of resistance. Same thing here at the 20.98 level. Breaks through, hopefully we find some support. This is called a reversal of resistance to support, reversal, where the previous levels of resistance becomes the new levels of support. And if it does that, you're already in at $17, clearing this price range. Yes, it is high above the support level in this range, but we're showing momentum to break through it anyway, so you're going to discard this. We're going to look here, okay? And then we find support, right? And you can see there's some resistance right here. We find support now. with the momentum allowing for the support to come in, and then we start retesting the next level of resistance, which is that 2098. Just want to educate you a little bit more with this free trade alert and how we have our outlook on these stocks, how we decide to push them out to you, so you can also find opportunities that we may not necessarily be looking at. It's just an idea, it's just a strategy, one to add to your book of strategies you may already have. We just wanted to share that information with people who aren't aware of that type of trading. So that's mainly what we look for here. Guaranteed confirmations. If you look down here on the MACD, we're showing a swing confirmation on 3 days here to show the momentum to the upside. If you look here, here's the second confirmation of ours. You have your EMAs right here. You see how the top EMA is turning red, and now we're going back above green here. We should be green in the next few days. And once that occurs, we expect volume spikes, which we're seeing buying volume here. A third day buying volume spike here will show the more confirmation to the swing trade. So that's what we look for. We look for indicators that are confirmations on the move. Okay, we have ways to scan the market and find those types of confirmations, and then we sit here and we do our trend analysis to make sure that it fits the criteria. That's why sometimes we don't send out a trade alert every day, because the stocks that we find might not fit the criteria, might not have the confirmations, and we're not going to just send you anything. So keep that in mind too. You know, for our current members, we're not just going to send you any stock just because we say we're going to release daily stock alerts. Okay, I want to make that clear. We're looking for top gainers. We're looking for top momentum, top movement in the stock itself. Okay, that's what you want to aim for. You see what happened with AMC today. You see what happened with GME today. You see what happened with BBY. That's a social movement. We follow trend analysis and confirmations on the momentum and movement of the stock itself. So anyways, to wrap it up, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified about our future free trade alerts and trade reviews. Also, be sure to register your free membership at Millennial Investments to join our social investor network so we can have daily discussions and trade alerts, and you can track your trade, you can share your trades, and you can also access our new due diligence library for each individual stock that is listed on the stock market. So if you have any more questions about any information here, feel free to comment below. If you have a position in this trade, looking to make a position based on this video, or just have any questions about the stock or the company, feel free to comment below. Otherwise, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and good luck trading.